Open a command prompt and run the following command, Winget upgrade. This will gather all the applications on your computer that are out of date. To update all of these applications, run this command, Winget upgrade all. You will then be asked if you agree to the terms of the application installs. Go ahead and type Y and hit enter. Winget will then download the latest version of each application and install it automatically. This process can take a while depending on the number of updates your computer requires. Once the process has completed, you can run Winget upgrade command again to check if there are any updates remaining. This process can be fully automated and there are many other options. We have a full written guide with all available options on our website, see the description for a link.